Oh my God. I just said the whole story to the end really fast because I have 5 minutes and I forgot to hit friggin' record. How funny. Anyway, my story today is me not being afraid of flying for the first time ever. This is a long time ago. I was with my husband. We were coming back from somewhere, I don't know where, and I just remember thinking, I don't have any anxiety. Had all my snacks in my bag, my magazines, and I was getting ready to get on that plane. And so anyhow, everything went as planned. We got in there and I was by the window, and then there was David and then some guy in the aisle. And anyway, so we take off for about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes or so. And the guy in the aisle, he takes off, goes to a washroom. So I'm just like watching, I guess watching something. I think I was always watching the flight plan. And then also if David was sleeping, of course. So I was watching like a movie or, on his or mine. Like, I had both of them going at the same time. So I just had like a lot of stuff going. It was like my own little cockpit, my own little office. So, and I was probably knitting or crocheting, knowing me. And I think it would be crocheting because I had to sneak a crochet hook on the, because it would look like a pen going through security. Anyway, so first of all, you're seeing me I created my own little Swiffer gadget that went on the bottom of my Swiffer pole. And I used it all weekend long. This was probably shot in like November. I'm just trying to clean up my phone because I may not be able to do any more videos. My phone isn't recording anymore, so I'm just like getting caught up. Anyway, happy April also, people. So anyhow, I'm just doing my thing. David's sound asleep, and all of a sudden the plane dropped. It dropped so long that you hear the flight attendant saying, "Get on the ground. Hold on, get on the ground." Like people are screaming. And I put my hand out in front of myself, grabbed the seat, and I'm thinking, oh my God, I'm going to friggin' die right now. So anyhow, I'm holding on, and you're like in this daze thinking, oh my God, what the heck? And all of a sudden, the plane just straightened out. So you're waiting for some type of, little announcement from the cockpit. Nothing was said. It's like the creepiest thing. People are crying. So I hit David and I was like, oh my God, we almost died. And do you know what he says? Well, why'd you wake me up then? I was like, oh my God. See, these are the moments I recall and I'm thinking, thank God I'm single. Anyway, so I'm like trying to regain my composure, thinking, oh my God, here I was so confident to get on a plane, finally okay with flying. And then that happened where I was like thinking about my death in, a few minutes. And then all of a sudden, the guy comes back from the front of the plane. He stands there and he goes, what the fuck was that? And I just looked at him and I was like, he goes, whatever you do, do not use that washroom. Because the guy, I guess, had gone for a pee. So imagine that you're standing there, this happened. So yeah, there'd be urine all over. So anyway, anytime I use the plane after that, I go to the back. But talk about breaking the ice and like snapping me out of like my little scary moment. So yeah, poor guy, but yeah, funny moment. Anyway, today is April 1st. And yes, this could be one of my last videos because my phone, I'm trying to delete all my photos and everything, but it's just not taping anymore. Trying to get my camera going, then I have to figure out how to do my videos on my laptop, blah, blah, blah. So we'll see. I may be doing you all a favor by not posting anymore. So anyhow, I love you all. Please like and subscribe. At 128 subscribers now, which is fantastic. I was kind of like 1 for 1. Whenever I would post a video, I would get another subscriber. So I was at 126 and 126. Now I'm at 128. So I think this would be 127. Anyway, I love you all. Thank you for watching. And I'm going to go out and do some grounding. Hopefully I can take a video and show you what I'm doing and I'll be telling you about why I'm doing that. Anyway, I'm going to click off. I'll put a little description of how to make one of these things to put on your Swiffer Used mine for the whole entire weekend. Front, back, inside, front, back. And dry and then wet. And it worked like a charm. So I really suggest making one of these little suckers. You can do it by crochet or you can do it by knitting. Okay, I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. And I'm so happy it's April. Oh my God. Okay, I love you all. Big kiss. Bye-bye. And thank you for subscribing and liking if you do. Okay, bye.